What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, not sure if I have anything on my face, eating some nachos, but today is actually my birthday, guys, and getting old, getting up there. You know, almost a big 30 here in several years. I'll be almost 30, or I will be 30. Not almost. I'm almost 30. So, what I got today is I bought myself a Wet Sounds Stealth 10 soundbar. I had this on my old Razor. Freaking awesome soundbar. I love this thing. And when I sold my Razor, I sold it with it, and I freaking regretted it ever since I got this one because they were expensive. They are not cheap. This one was $650. I got a little bit of a deal on it. Still super expensive soundbar. So also had to buy the Wet Sounds brackets, and they are proud of these things just as well as they are the soundbars. And these things right here were like $65, $70, but I'm gonna mount it up here because if you mount it right here, it's kind of like the seat's getting away. So then again, I may mount it right here. I don't know yet. I'm gonna look at both. I've got nothing but time tonight, so I'm gonna look at both. And let me know what you guys think. My buddy bought me these Dixie horns, like the Dixie Hazard horns. So he's wanting me to try to find a place to put them, and that's the reason I got the hood off. I want to try to find a spot to put them. So we'll see. May go ahead and install that tonight too. So I'm gonna finish eating, and I'll get back with you guys, and we'll install this Wet Sounds Stealth 10 soundbar. Alright guys, so time to take the soundbar out of the box. Got Wet Sounds stuff. Alright, so this is how it comes packaged. It comes packaged pretty well. So I'm going to take it out. I've already got my remote installed. So I'm going to take it out and take it over there. Or first we got to figure out how these brackets work that I got. So let me take this out of the box and we'll see how these brackets work. Alright guys, so it is installed. Got the soundbar in. I didn't record much of the install just because it was literally like a pain in the butt to get this thing up here. Because, I mean, this thing weighs like 20-something pounds by itself. When you're trying to lift it up and put these brackets on there at the same time and try to like video, it's a work of art. So what I did is for right now I've just zip tied my wires right here, but they're done really nice and neat. So when you're back here, can't really tell. And got it ran up and over right here. Got the sound bar installed. So it kind of sets up high. Looks really nice. Checking my air filter earlier. About to do a full service on this thing because it is now service time. So got the Wet Sounds mounts, and I'm gonna have to cut my light on because you can't see. So hang on just a second. Alright guys, there you go. The Wet Sounds mounts, very nice. These are the bar mounts, and if you're looking for these, mounts, they are I think an inch and. Here's a freaking mess in this garage right now, guys. Don't quote me on this, but I think it's an inch and 3/4. So 1.75 is what it's going to be listed under. They're like really snug. Like this thing, it's not going anywhere. And the only reason like you have to do some serious pulling and shaking. I mean, I'm like rocking the whole Razor right now just to get this thing to try to move, and it's not going to move. Like this is not, it's solid, guys. It's not going anywhere. So, I mean, you could freaking roll this thing. This thing, it's not coming off. It's not going to hit you in the head, so you ain't got to worry about that. And yes, you could mount it right here, but I've got it up there just because, I don't know, that's where I kind of want it right now. I can always move it down here. It's no big deal. Just flip the brackets, put it on the bottom side of this, or you can leave it up there. Don't matter. So, anyways, guys, I'm going to throw in a little sound clip of this thing, and it is freaking stupid loud. So you guys can hear it. Sounds really good. I really like it. Comes with steering wheel remote, so you can adjust You got, you can mute the music, you can pause, volume up, volume down, skip forward, skip back, Bluetooth button, auxiliary button. So when you cut it on, I've got it set up where it automatically Bluetooths my phone, and you got the same buttons up there that you have down here. Very, very nice setup. Like I said, the bar is kind of expensive. If you guys want to see, this is the factory box it comes in. So Wet Sounds Stealth 10 Ultra HD. Got all your stuff here where, so nothing too crazy. It's not like anything super fancy. I mean, it is a very, very nice sound bar. Super loud, very clear. I mean, it's very, very nice. And then, yes, it comes with brackets, but if you're going to put it on a bar, please use those brackets. Cause that way you don't have to drill through your roll cage and all that. You actually do it really, really nice. Very simple. Takes 5 minutes to take down. Takes a little longer to get up if you're using it by yourself. But literally, I can take this thing off in 5 minutes or less. So, super nice. Like to have it. Like I said, my thoughts on the Wet Sounds Stealth 10 is I give it a 9 out of 10. Like, I really do. Like, I really like it. The only reason I wouldn't give it a 10 out of 10 is because it's so dang expensive. If it was cheaper, I'd give it a 10 out of 10. But obviously, if you're going to if you're going to buy something that's really nice, it's going to be expensive. This sound bar on their website is like $700 or so. You can get it on Amazon. I got this on Amazon for like 600 and some change. And the brackets are kind of expensive. That's another downfall. I think these brackets are like $69, so $70 for brackets. Soundbar $600. I mean, you're gonna have damn near $700 tied up in it, but it's gonna be well worth it. If you want good, crystal clear sound, you want it loud, Wet Sounds Stealth 10. If you want it very simple, Wet Sounds, go with it. If you like to do all the wiring and stuff, now you can get a lot better sound if you do an amp with speakers and stuff like that, but I'm a more simplicity guy. Like, I just like it simple, clean. I really like it. It looks good. That's what it looks like from the front. So, very simple, very clean. I mean, you can't even notice it in there until you kind of squat down and you see it. And yeah, from a distance, it does kind of look like a light bar, but it's not. It's a sound bar. So, anyways, guys, I'll throw in the sound clip of it. And yeah, if you got any questions about that thing, let me know. More stuff coming on the Razor here soon. Definitely got to be doing the service anyways. Going to be putting blow off valve on it, doing all that fun stuff. And yeah, cage coming soon. So hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. Thank you for watching.